Guys! Wait. Yeah. It's an umbrella cockatoo. Wag, anak, masakit.
No, it hurts. Are you able to carry a bird like this? No.
No. You can touch it. Eh, don't touch that. Hey, you can touch the bird. Michael. Michael.
Oh, you're supposed to touch it like that.
Oh, picture kayo, picture. Wait. Michael, we're going at the back. Michael. Oh, picture kayo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's an umbrella cockatoo. Okay, guys? Yeah, it's ouchy. I mean, you like to hold it in your hand. I will get a stick. You like?
Can I warm up with like something? Hello.
Something small. Okay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Hey, stand there on the on the poster.
Is it hurting your skin too?
Yeah. Or you go on the other side. And then put it closer to your face. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you like it? You can take
Can
it.
we hold it like this?
Huh?
Can we hold it like this?
Yeah, you try. You try. You do it like this. Is it ouchy? Huh?
Ow! Okay.
Wait, don't pull.
Face.
Oh.
Face, you need to grab it from the feathers off the claws.
You like ba?
Yeah. Can I put on my finger?
Huh?
Can I put on my finger?
Can you what?
Can I put on my finger?
Just open your...
Ah!
Wait. It's falling.
It's
I'll get, come here, on the ano.